In this video, we will compare the CityPack Pro Ultra version 1 that I have right here versus the CityPack Pro Ultra version 2 that I don't have because it's not yet released, but I will put pictures to compare it against this one. First of all, we'll begin with 3 things that I love to be better on the new version or that I know that will be better based on the pictures, and 3 things that I will miss on the new CityPack Pro Ultra version 2. And then we will look at all the differences based on the pictures and go a little bit deeper on this backpack, and to let you know which one should you buy. Should you go for the old one that maybe will have a discount, let's see, or should you wait for the new one which should be released around March something of 2025. One of the things that I would like to be better and that I know will be better is the side handle. On the CityPack Pro version 1 you have no side handle, so I know some people don't really like them for an EDC, but I think that one small handle on the side is very good. For example, on the CityPack version 1 you have one handle, it's on this side, and it's quite nice to be able to take it like this sometimes. Second thing is another handle that I would like to be better is the top handle that you can see right here. So it's very good, but when you don't pack the main compartment, I don't know if I will be able to show it to you, but when you grab it, so it's very well padded and everything, but you see the whole backpack is like, because it's stitched here, so the whole thing is, I don't know, it's a little weird to do this. And whereas on the new version, so I will put the picture, but the handle I think is on the back right here. So I think it will be better. It's more like on my ULA Dragonfly. And the last thing I would like to be different, as you can see, I have this backpack in Ultra for quite some time now. So I bought it in September 2024. Now we are in February 2025, so some months already. And as you can see, when you buy, maybe you see it on the picture, when you buy it, the Ultra 400X is very flat, very nice looking, but when you use it, and especially on this pocket, you can see the pattern a lot more. And one of the problems I think that you can have is, you know, this material is very like, you have this line, okay? And here they do some, I don't know how to say it, maybe plies or something like that. And here it's well done, you see? There is like this square, and then it's here, okay? So it's kind of okay. On the other side here, I don't know if you see it, but the square here is cut in the middle, which leads to some weird patterns. Maybe not here, you cannot see it, but it's like a little weird. On this side, it's kind of okay. On this side, it looks almost like there is a crease or something, and it's a little weird. That's my main concern about the Ultra 400X. I hope they will do it better on the version 2, because yeah, this side is okay, this side is a little weird, and then you have some weird pattern, even when you don't feel it, when you don't feel the pocket. So I will remove some things from my pocket. Yeah, it looks something like this. So it's a little weird, but I think it's only on the front pocket, because on the side, as you can see, I don't use that much the sides, obviously, of the backpack, and it's kind of okay. So that was what I would like to be different. And now I'll talk to you about 3 things that I will miss on the CityPack Pro Ultra version 2. The first thing, obviously, I don't know if you know it already, but it's the side pocket. The side pocket that I use every day. So you can swing the bag around, and you have here a key leash, which is very handy. And so I use it, I will not show you because I don't want to show my name. I use my key card to go to work, and I just swing it a little bit, and then I take it from here, and that's it. So it's very nice. Now on the CityPack Pro 2, it's on the front pocket, so like a lot of other air backpacks, and it's okay because you can swing it, but the CityPack Pro is a little bit bigger in depth than the CityPack, so it's a little bit more difficult, I think, to access this, even if the new zipper is on the top here, so a little bit higher. But yeah, that's one thing I will definitely miss. This pocket is really nice, and I think on an EDC, maybe you don't need 2 water bottle pockets, 1 is already enough. Second thing, it's only on this specific version, on the Ultra 10th anniversary version, you have these zipper pulls in e-pallon that are different from the ones that are used before in plastic. And here you have a loop, which is very handy to use the zippers. And on the new version, I'll put a picture, you have also in e-pallon, but you don't have this loop, or I didn't see it well, but I think you don't have anymore this loop. So It's okay, but I really like this look to just use the zipper. The last thing, it's, I don't know about it, maybe it's nothing, maybe I'm just talking about some things that doesn't make sense, but you see here, on the back panel here, you have two parts, okay? Because you have here the luggage pass-through, yeah, okay, on the old one, and you have two parts that are totally filled, okay, with padding, and on the new version, I will put pictures, but you have this cross here, so it makes a cross pattern, and then you have the four parts of the back panel. So maybe I think it will not do a lot, but it's maybe a little less comfort, or I don't know, maybe it will change nothing. But this, we need to test it and to see if it makes any change at all. Now talking about all the differences. So first of all, we'll begin with the side here. What you can see is a side pocket, side water bottle pocket, and we have the same on the new one. The difference is the G-ring was on the left side and the G-ring was this kind of model, and now it's on the other side and it's another model of G-ring. Then we have the front pocket here that is a little bit different, okay? So before we had this pocket like this and then a little pocket, zippered pocket here, and now I put it on the screen and you can see the difference. On the back, on the Ultra version, you don't have the clothing here to be very soft and everything like on all other air backpacks. On the new Ultra, you have. On the front side here, you have no key leash on the first version because the key leash is obviously on the side pocket. Now you have it on the front. On the top loading pocket here, on the first version it was against the zipper from the back. Here it's a little bit here in the middle. And I think it's a little different inside, because inside before, as you can see here, you have the pocket is here, like this, and now I think it's a little bit different on the version 2. It takes the whole space and maybe it's not like this, so this is why they moved the position of the AirTag. This is the position to put an AirTag, and now it's not here anymore because I think this doesn't flap anymore like this. So that's the difference. While I'm here, so we have the difference here. So this was black mesh, transparent mesh, now it's not anymore. The rest seems like kind of the same. Talking about the luggage pass-through, like I said already, now it was horizontal, so you put it like this on your luggage, and now it's vertical, and so this is in 4 parts now. And like I said already, now you have two side handles, and before you had 0, now you have 2. So yeah, we said maybe 1 it's okay, and now they put 2. Okay, I think I spoke about it before, is the front zipper is now a little bit higher, so it makes it look a little bit more aggressive, not a lot of difference. And the harness system, maybe it was improved, but I cannot see it very much. But all the gear here like this, all this seems to be exactly the same. Just here on the top, it seems a little bit different where it connects, but that's about it. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you want more air information and more comparison with the new backpacks when they will be released and I will get my hands on them, you can subscribe to this channel. I have also a lot of different other backpacks. So if you're wondering if you should buy the first version or the second version of the Air City Pack Pro Ultra, look at what you like, what you don't like. If you absolutely need this side pocket, but maybe you don't know it before, but when you use it, I absolutely tell you that this is amazing feature. So yeah, first version is still an awesome backpack, so don't worry if you bought it for the announcement, it's still an awesome backpack. You will be very good with it. Yeah, I use it as an EDC, it's my main EDC. I use it for EDC and it's already packed for business trip or small trips. So when I go on small trips, I just put my clothes inside and that's it. It's already, it's awesome backpack, super comfortable. It's the best backpack I ever used in terms of comfort. It's really amazing and it's 1.08 kilos. The new model, we don't know exactly the weight, but I think it should be around the same. So thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye. Like, subscribe. Ciao, ciao.